Welcome to Locky Creations, where I feature my fabulous crafty life. Hello and welcome to Locky Creations, where today I will be taking you along my beautiful city on a beach walk for some journaling inspiration and just to have some time with nature and enjoying this beautiful, beautiful view as well as a beautiful sweet treat. So stay tuned and enjoy.
Texas, no hold 'em. So lay your card down. So pack your legs and throw your keys up. Go round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real life boogie and a real life hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now. One step to the right, we headed to the dive bar. We always go at night. Run me to the left and put me in the middle. Boy, I can't read your mind. They Texas, ain't no hold 'em. Lay your cards down. So pack your legs and throw your keys up. Sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real life boogie and a real life hold down. Don't be a bitch. There's a heatwave coming at us. Things change. We pose to panic. All of the problems just feel dramatic. And now we're running to the first part that we fire. Ooh, one step to the right.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, be wonderfully and abundantly blessed.